Hello, everyone. Hello, my name is LTG, or generic as gaming VTuber, and welcome to my birthday stream. Holy shit. Like, I didn't know that, wait lang. My webcam is, tracking not good for some reason. Uh, but anyways, welcome. My name is LTG. I'm just your generic as gaming VTuber, and I am still on work. I am still tawag dito, I am still not good enough for streaming. So good thing that Twitch has enhanced broadcasting on uh like Twitch has enhanced. Oh, what happened? What happened to my environment? Okay. Okay, what happened to my environment for some reason? So, I think that um hindi ako makapaniwala na makakarating ulit ako dito, like guerrilla stream shit, and I'm still your fellow gamer here. I don't know what to say, but thank you so much sa lahat ng mga bumati sa akin through Discord, through Facebook, to DM. I am really, really appreciated. It is definitely so much special na andito kayo. Andito kayo sa... Andito kayo. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Nakikita nyo? Andito kayo. Yan, 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 yan. Yung dalawang yung lahat-lahat kayo dyan. Lahat-lahat kayo dyan, no? Good thing, andito kayo para supportahan nyo lahat ng mga VTubers, lahat ng mga PH VTubers, basta lahat. Basta lahat ng PH VTubers, I think hindi ako makapaniwala na like lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko through these years, I have some been working on in the past 2 years, I guess, like a year and a half na nakatunganga lang ako dito, gumagawa ng content, and then for like 7 years of streaming, 7 years of content creating rather, na kahit na hindi ako lumaki, like I just do it for fun. I just doing it for not for the clout, not for the content talaga, that for the clickbait titles and other shit, kasi hindi naman talaga ako ganun. But yeah, VTubers are basically hindi siya madali. Hindi siya madali na gawin, hindi siya madali na paano ba sabihin? Hindi siya madaling dito parang intindihin na ano. Yeah, mahirap talaga. But the fact is na are you still here to go to your just go to your favorite VTubers, and basically me, no? Sapat na 'yon. Sapat na 'yon para sa akin. Kaya pala ang ganda ngayon ng update ngayon ng Twitch, because you can now have multi RTMP streams on Twitch right now. So ewan ko bakit hindi maganda yung tracking ko sa mata, no? But probably may setting yata 'yun sa ano. Hindi ba marunong mag-Barudo? Sensya na. Sensya na, guys. Bago lang 'to eh. Bago lang 'tong ano na 'to. Bago lang talaga 'tong character ko, so I don't know how will I do it? No? Yeah, look at the camera. Ayan. So, what the hell? So, by the way, hindi ako, hindi ako makafocus. But so by the way, this is like 10:36 ng umaga. Kaya ako nag-stream ng ganitong oras is because may leave ako ngayon. Birthday leave ko ngayon. Kaya anyways, I think that out of the option na gusto kong mag-stream talaga na kung meron man akong yung parang affiliate man lang, may manonood lang kahit mga 10 viewers man lang para hindi ako magsalita dito on a fucking brick wall. 'Di ba? Like on a brick wall, but you know, I'll still thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng mga andito. Sumubaybay and just go with the flow of everything. I really appreciate your time and effort on just watching the stream. Just watching the stream be the stream. Yeah. So, ano lalaroin ko? Lalaroin ba natin yung run to ng Until Then because kakatapos ko lang ng Until Then ng July 14. I think so. Probably tapusin na kaya natin ng Until Then, no? Probably tapusin na natin Until Then kasi I have to go with some changes on my stuff. So, yeah. Probably tapusin na natin yung Until Then. With a VTuber cam. Probably not. Kasi hindi pa gaanong kaganda yung graphics card ko. So, I guess so na hanggang dito na lang muna tayo sa pag-ano ng Barudo. So, babalik ako sa aking PNG Tuber mode dahil we are playing ano ta dito, Until Then. So, yeah. Go. Ayan. Yan, nakabalik na ako. Well, we're back. We are back on our domain. We are back on my turf. Welcome everyone to my stream. And we are going to play Until Then. The run to na ba? Di ba tama? Run to naman, di ba? So, we're going to Game General. And we are focusing on Until Then now. So, patayin mo natin yung intermission audio. And do with the stream marker. Wait lang. Yan talaga, ayan, ang hirap kapag naka-guerrilla stream ka, no? Like, hindi mo alam kung sa puputok. Diba? So, wait lang. How the hell do I do stream markers here? Ayan, add stream marker description. Okay. Okay. You're back on Until Then, guys. So, welcome to Bakit hindi naka-alpha yung ano? Naka lang napansin. Ba't di naka-ano yung Warudo ko? What the hell is happening on my spout? Okay. That's so random. So, saan na yan? Oh no. I'm panicking. Nasa na yung, nasa na yung spout. Ayan, dito. Lagyan natin dito. Yan. So, wait lang. Bago mo tayo mag-record, patay muna natin yung clock. Yeah, ayusin muna natin yung yan. So, I think we are done now. We are good on recording the second playthrough up until then, I guess. Okay. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second playthrough of Until Then. My name is LTG. We are going on to the second run of this playthrough. Wait lang, isa pa nga, ayusin ko muna yung recording. Medyo sabog yung mic. Wait lang settings, hindi, advanced audio. Yan, okay na, CBR 45 25, tama naman. Okay. Ayusin lang natin yung sources. Yan. Advanced audio. Dapat 2. Tama lang pala. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5 nga pala yung dito. Nakaset up na ba? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Tama na. Not recording 3, 4, 5. Oh, shit! Hindi ko kasi to kasi naka-stream na ako. Hindi ko na set up. Fuck. Lagi kasi dito 1, 2, 3 lang. Shit. Hindi. Oo nga, tama lang. Hindi kayo Advanced audio properties 3. Patayin ko yung kasi naka-track 1 naman tayo. Number 3, yung na lang. Paano ba? Kaya mo na nga. Number 3. Ayan, sige. Okay. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome to Until Then. And we are on the second run of, naulit tayo hanggang chapter 5. Naulit na naman tayo. On the first run is hindi ko masabi, Kati got isekai'd and it transports into another realm of I don't know what the hell am I seeing right now, but I think it can be done, right? It can be done, yeah. But anyways, we are on Until Then now, so I guess let's go to our playthrough. Nahinto tayo dun sa scene na naglalaban sila. Yeah. Mash. Already. Ayan na, mash. Ano na? I'm mashing right now. What the hell? Bro. Don't you dare na nag-stuck talaga ako dito sa na to. Kailangan ko ba i-mash ba yung ibang buttons, ha? Start. Okay, start. Start it. Start it. Start. Start. What the hell? Why is it not starting? Oh, diba? Why is it not starting? Like, how the hell did I start this game? I literally mashing all over. And then, may pipindutin pa ba ako? Like, kailangan ko ba mag-mash pa ng ibang ano? I can't mash. Yeah, I can't mash. What the hell? What the hell? Kailangan ko ba talagang i-mash? Kasi hindi ko siya maano. Why I can't push it? What the hell? Yeah. Oh, I am still mashing. I'm still mashing, guys. I think yung E ba? Nakita ko yung ready maliit eh. Like, I don't know what will I do. Ayan, start mashing, guys. What the hell? Ba't hindi ako makaalis dito? Ba't hindi ako makaalis? What the fuck, dude? Wait lang, hindi ako makaalis dito. Wait lang. Okay, fuck this. I will go play too. See, I can't ano. Oh, I can't do until ano dito, di ba? I can do the mashing thing with my C922, ano ba to, G250 mouse. I am still mashing but there's no effect. Parang kailangan ko na yata na auto clicker, men, no? Lalabas ko na yung auto clicker ko dito. Yan, F6. Lalabas ko na auto clicker dito kasi ewan ko bakit hindi siya hindi siya nagmamash, oh. Ay no, hindi siya nagmamash for some reason. What the hell? Ayaw pa rin niya. Ayaw pa rin, guys. Ayaw pa rin niya. Okay. Am I stuck in here? Wait lang. Am I stuck in here talaga? Wait ka lang. Try ko mag-select scene awakening. Okay, ready. Okay, ready. Mash. Wait. Oh, it's the... Okay, I get it now. A space. The space. Okay. Okay. Right here. 3, 2, 1. And starting. Yeah. Let's go. Ayan na. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And... Ayan na. Panalo ba tayo? Yeah. He disconnects. Victory! Okay. Okay, we are on a sasala na naman tayo, no? A midnight snack? Nah, I better head well to bed. Okay. You have to be on high alert to know where Riddle will catch you in your most vulnerable moments. Good, cat. Okay, back. Chopin and back in Grieg. Okay. I was gonna practice, but maybe I do it tomorrow. Okay? Okay, tulog ka na. Well, there goes another successful night of making noobs cry. Okay. Oh my god, why? Wait lang, ba't ang lakas? What the fuck? Wait lang, inaan ko lang. Ang lakas ng ang lakas ng audio. School's one station away, no? But I always prefer trains for some reason. Putik na yun, napakalakas! Wait lang, inaan ko lang ng konti yung audio. So, yan. Simp. Okay. Mark, okay. How's the slide deck? Crime and punishment. Right? You're joking, right? Oh. Just kidding, press. Okay, so naulit tayo sa kanya. Yeah. You're the best genius after all. Yeah. Wait, naulit tayo na second route. Okay. Well, this is gonna be one fun day. I mean, a normal round. Okay. So, basically, hindi na ako magsasalita for speedrunning purposes kasi naulit naman tayo. We are on run 1 now. We're on run 2 rather. Okay, I got everything. Yeah, this is the same. Yes, this is the same. Nabuta tayo ng tren. Ibon ni Pasio. Tatay LRT. And Ilocos Line, Ilocos Norte kasi na yeah, mga Ilocos Sur ganyan. Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur yan, famous talaga Bigan. So we're still in the beep card shit. Saan ba tayo? Liamson 10 and 5. Okay. So we're still here on the MRT. We're still here on MRT. Right? Okay, if only they can... Okay. Yeah, mahirap kasi kapag... Yung alam ko, i-assist ka lang kapag may problem sa mga line checking, ganyan. Line check error, etc. Pero kapag wala. Okay, dito tayo. Is it the same lang? I am beginning, can't make miracle suffer. Cat. Wait, cat is, cat is, wait, cat is ano? Cat is alive? Okay. That's what you worry about? I should talk about, did you tell her about the slide do? Hindi ko narinig yung kanta. Alimutan ko tuloy. Pero probably I will listen it on, ano, kung meron Spotify shit. This the same, ano, the same conversation since run 1, okay. Ay naman tayo kay, ano, kay basketball boy yan. Ang gawin mo kasi, ano, dito. Ang gawin mo kasi, Mark, gumawa ka ng PowerPoint sa cellphone mo. Baga, yan. Baba. Yan. Bye-bye. Speedrun. Wait, alam ko na yan. I can make the train go faster. I hate you. Come here, now. Okay, si Cathy ba nga natin? Si Cathy ba ikitain natin? Aha, yeah, Ryan. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Why am I walking? Nakala makikitain mo si Cathy. I really think I'd be faster. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it's Cathy now. Tell me what I need. Bucket formation. Okay. Wait, is this Cathy now? Not basketball. Yeah. Oh my god. What's next? Main ideas. Okay. Okay, shorter word, isolation. Fine. Okay, characters. Of course, characters muna. Yeah, this the same dialogue. Character analysis. Hurry up. Never mind. It's not even saved yet. Hello? Holy. Oh no. Yeah. Cathy. Luis. I can explain. Dead corpse. Yup. Ano kaya magiging niya? Ano kaya magiging plot na yun dun sa right? Kasi nabago eh. 'Di ba nabago si Cathy naman ng Yeah, think we can pull it up. Probably not. Yeah, we're gonna. Okay, you may begin. Okay, you're going to plug it in. Okay, yan. What the fuck this? Oh my god. On the date of that, but you hit the percent of the catcher in the right. Oh, what the hell? yung slides mo tayo. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Okay. Tatali na yun. Oh my god. TikTok! Neymar. Light to Luis. Yes. Yes. Ay, nakatay lang yan. Okay. Yeah. Busy na let someone prepared present. Oh my god, why? Hello, Solun, welcome to the stream. Yeah. Is this is this Gab? Is this ano? Lads. Yeah. Well, hello. Welcome to Until Then again. Yeah. Ito pala ang mangyayari kapag naka-assign si Cathy sa ano. Naka-assign si Cathy sa groupmates. Hindi siya makakagawa ng magandang ano. Yeah. Yeah. Lagot. Lagot. Okay. Kapag hindi naka-assign si Mark natin, uy, Philippines! Okay, we are on the second run, so alam na natin to. Alam na natin na yung first run kasi natin is like, andito sino ba yun? Yung nagba-basketball. I forgot because I don't have time to remember names, so I'm so sorry. Okay, chatting. I know this. Okay, Jessica. Yeah, I know this already. Yeah. Yeah, speedrun tayo. Telling me I'm not getting it. Okay. Tayo kay Riddle ba? Tayo? This the same. Tapos from it's the same shit. Okay, it's the same shit. Okay. Just sold like hotcakes in the first week. Okay. Is this Cathy? Okay, keep remembering wrong for some reason. Can't believe Luis hates us. Yeah. Jaggy, no? Remember okay. It's the same shit. I basically remember shut your mouth if you know what's good for you. Okay, so the same dialogue. Ang first run kasi natin, pinuntahan natin yung ano ni Luis. Wait lang, disable natin preview here. Yeah. Completely eradicate the chance you had with your one true love with the Ay, di pa natin kasi alam na may jowa na si Luis. Yeah. I don't believe you. Like who? Okay, the same dialogue. Uh-huh. Okay. You're amazing. Yeah. You're amazing what you do. Kasi ano siya, balik siya sa pagiging ano, balik siya sa pagiging slackered. Ah, balik siya sa pagiging ano to dito. Alam mo na 'yun? Yung pabigat sa team. Kasi sa playthrough natin kay ano, kapag hindi natin pinili si Cathy, that's the same. The same dialogue, the same dialogue. Okay, the same dialogue. Who's stopping them? Well, yeah, yung dalawang ano, yung kulay, yeah, dalawang sino ba 'yon? Si Nicole. Okay. Alala natin. Tapos sasabihin, deja bullshit. Okay. Okay, group 1. Okay, hey guys, really sorry. Okay, about the report. I really let you guys down. Yan, galit na si Luis. Luis is gonna kill us, man. Tell me about it. Ano, Mark Ridel. Okay. Yung the same. You gotta dress us. To be announced. Okay. This is the same pa rin. Yes, it is the same dialogue. So, speedrun tayo for this run too, no? Concrete dance floor for the win. Pataas kasi ng pataas. Yeah. Pataas kasi pataas yung ano. Yeah. Kasi kapag inano pa natin to, ano, panibagong 10 hours na naman tayo sa playthrough na to. Gusto ba natin yun, guys? Panibagong 10 hours. Okay, so I was thinking, what are you thinking? 10 hours na naman. 10 hours na naman yan. Pag binasa ko na naman yung buong buong chat. No. Yeah, I'm lying. Not funny. Okay, any ideas? Qualified. Yeah, panibago 10 hours na naman tayo niyan. So, medyo hindi ako makapag ano. Alam mo na. Are we good this? Okay. Angel, have you seen this? Ano siya? Nawala ba? Akala ko may nawala lang. Okay. Ito na naman si Brian. Naka-Morty face. Okay, the same shit. Okay. Okay, okay. It is the same dialogue. Okay, the same dialogue then. And he's offline. Ano naman tayo kay Kyle? Ay, ano naman tayo kay Kyle? Yeah. Ang tanong, maiiwasan ba natin na mabob si Luis on this playthrough? Diba? Yeah, can I get this shit? Because I know this already. Ayan na naman tayo sa wedding day na hindi pulido. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Kaya mo yan. You can do it. You can do it. Wait lang, may nagchat-chat sa Discord eh. Ano ko lang. Ano ko lang sandali. Oy, nasa jeep. Wait. It's good. It's good. Okay, wait. We are on a jeep now. We are on a jeep now. Hindi na to katulad nung sa MRT pa rin yata 'yon. Damn. Bago to. Yan. Alright. We need to have a plan of attack. We're cheering her on. Cheering? You think cheering is a good thing to a chess competition? I guess not. That is exactly my point. Well, that's why I bought you these. Signboards? Signboards. Oh, signboards. At a chess compet. Ba't ayaw mo? That's quieter than pom-poms. Yeah. Or whatever you had in mind. What should we say? We'll figure out later. Okay? It's gonna be really good. So she won't, kill us? Execute us? Yeah. Ano talaga, ano sabi mo? Batok spoot ng jeep, may okay, that may jiggle physics. Oy, nako, Gab. Let's gonna say ignore us, please. But that's likely to, okay. Hey, that's a bop. My pair, please. This one something. Excuse me, you don't wanna hear us? Come on, man, you know what to do. Can't miss a beat. Just follow the group, mister. Okay. Oh, yung bayad, oy! Oy, bad Nemo! Oy, why we are on a chibi? Kasi, ano nagagawin? Ano nagagawin natin, oy? Ay, gagi. What the hell is happening? What the hell? Paano ko? Paano ko ya ano? Oh. Oh, di ba't ayaw? Ah, these are fucking rhythm game. Okay, I get it now. I didn't get it. Oh my god, why am I so trash at rhythm games? Why am I so trash at rhythm games? What the fuck? Wait lang ha, wait lang ha. Why I'm so trash at rhythm games? So wait lang. Wrong game. ZNX is the way. Wrong game, wrong game. Wrong game. Wrong game. Wrong game, wrong game. Wrong game, wrong game. We finally made it. Man, we thought we stuck passing change forever. We did pretty good though. Okay, let's go find Louise. She won't. Okay, the same stuff. Ba't may rhythm gamer tayo na na hindi tayo nagtusok ng fishball ngayon? What's our strategy here? Options, a cheer on. Apologize, both. Both. Yeah, both. That you might say, knock and dog, of course. Okay, let's remind her or murder maybe. Hey yo. Well, what about? Win at all costs. Yeah, win at all costs. Okay. Yeah, it's supportive naman. Sorry, we're lame. Sorry, we're lame. Hellfire and Brimstone. Hellfire and Brimstone. Yeah. I know na meron niyang kasi naglalaro siya ng Dark Feeds. Doko. After the game. Okay. Yeah. Sino ba? Ay, si ano ba ang natin? Something's missing. Yeah. Yeah, yung missing niya yung parang sister niya. Parang sister niya pero talagang parang katulad niya na is just a friend, no? At all costs, really. Infectado with ha? Eh, look! She won! Yeah! Bye-bye, dignity! Yan, nahiya na. Nahiya na si Luis. Ito yung sport yan. Apologize again. Yeah. Okay, masterful. Thank you, I suppose. I didn't expect this, but don't think your actions that we forgot it. Of course, we do our best to be better. We're doing more time anyway. We're gonna give ample time to report. Dark Feeds. Dark Feed? I have no idea what it is. Oh, I thought you... Never mind. For this... Oh, really? Oh, really? In this timeline, hindi siya naglalaro ng Dark Feeds. Okay. Pero naglalaro yan. No. Okay, family. Okay, might be a direction. Okay. Polly. Wag mo sabihin si Polly, mawawala na naman siya. Oh, stalker. She forfeit. What are you talking about? Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. She called me Catherine. Yeah, Polly is one of the... Ayan na naman tayo. Ayan na naman tayo kay ano. Alam na natin na probably it's on the deja vu incident again. Okay. Okay. What are you doing this? Doing what? Okay, it's up on my forgiveness. Friendship. Yeah. So in this timeline hindi siya pinakilala sa kanyang sa kanyang boyfriend. Okay, okay. In this timeline. We're good, we're good. Okay. Convenience store. What type of convenience store? Okay, okay. Alam na natin na si Cathy is being abused by his parents, her parents. Tatawagin natin siyang dahil probably it is not good. Yan, dito na naman tayo sa convenience store. Yeah, andito si Riddle. Speedrun na natin to dahil we know the ayaw ko na mag 10 hours ulit. Please. Until then speedrun tayo. You got this? Just a hipster. You got this. Yeah, you can. You can. Photographer ka, di ba? Pero, ano ba? Videographer bang mo? Like, nawala daw si Polly, eh. Polly probably dun sa The Ruling Again incident. Yeah. Okay, now it's a matter of time. We're up our feet. She's definitely a nice queen. Okay, being hard, little weird, strange memories. I don't know. Armageddon? Yeah, you definitely still have plenty of time. No. Yeah, Nicole and why is that so familiar? Because it is your but is it so familiar? Of course, you know that. You know that name, okay? You know that name. Alam mo naman na ikaw naman ang pinag-anuhan, 'di ba? Like for example, the detailing is so Philippine culture, yeah. Because it is a Filipino game based on Godot, yeah. I don't want to get any trouble, man. Don't worry about it, really. Okay. Yeah, alam na natin na si Cathy is being abused by her parents. And pero hindi niya. Ang maganda, tatlo na sila. Tatlo na sila, hindi na si ano lang, si Cathy lang ang pumunta. Si Redel is, I don't know on his timeline that it will be good or it will be bad. I don't know. Uh-huh. Tangina, pag ikaw nawala ka sa timeline, Kati, babato ka na ata. Oo, tatlo na sila. Okay, tatlo na sila. Imbes sa dalawa, okay. Aha. Yeah, she loves the way. She loves yeah, I know this already. Uh-huh. Yan, tatlo na sila ni Riddle. Very good, okay? Do you feel it? The slide of the water facing your wrist? Uh-huh. You guys will never get it? Okay. Ayan ka na naman. Ayan ka na naman. Oo. We're all here. Enjoy your pace. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. Ayan ka na naman, Riddle. Ang tanong, on this timeline, si Riddle ba may successful na photographer? Yan ang tanong. Aww. Oh shit. Ayan na naman tayo, yeah. I forgot what is from Nicole. Yeah, not bad. Oh. Ayan na naman tayo. You're hearing again the piano shit, okay? Eto, on this timeline, hindi ba Your Lion April reference? Eto, spoilers for sa mga hindi pa nakaano ng Until Then Run 1. If you didn't know, his mom is probably not good in not good. Yeah, probably dead because of an airplane incident on Run 1. Sensya na sa mga spoiler dyan, yeah. Medyo spoiler ako pero yun yung nangyari sa Run 1. Okay, still ano? Eyo, Emma got spoiled. Wait lang. Manood ka na lang ng Run 1. Kasi natapos ko na rin yung Run 2 eh. Sensya na. Inaano ko rin to sa YouTube. So, a full bod. Ayan ka na naman. Yan ka na naman, Mark. You got spoiled? No. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Wag mong sabihin magdadrop ka ng spoiler, ah. Pwede pa yung universal spoiler. Yeah, yan, ano, if you do the exclamation point universal spoiler, I can accept that. But no spoilers. Okay, no spoilers on this main game. Okay? Run to pa lang tayo. Hey, nothing wrong with the... Okay, si Riddle ngayon ng, ano, instead of Cathy. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah, Ranto na to. I guess you're right. Okay, yep. How do you do? Ranmon is on my channel. Takting yan. Umiyak ng naisi kay Sikat. What about you? Will it check yet? Okay. Also entranced by your air piano skills. Still in the slump? Okay. I can't seem to figure out what's wrong. Well, you're trying to do exactly. What's your goal? It's complicated. Just a new hobby. Yeah, it's about your mom, okay? Alam na natin na her mom probably died from a plane crash because got mad when the light beside Cathy and realized you got isekai'd. Yeah, yun na nangyari. Cathy got isekai'd. It's all about to get a 5A, 5B. Being now it's pointless. Probably kasi ang alam ko 'di ba tatlo ending dito, so we need to get that tatlong ending first. So we are on run 2. Say what again? Hey, what's this? What the heck is this? What were you doing? yeah, pianist. He does remember bits of the first, yes. Yes. Oo nga pala, napansin ko rin, kahit na first playthrough, naaalala niya yun. Napansin ko yun. First playthrough, naaalala niya. How many run? Sabi daw kasi sa, until then FAQ, 3 ending. So probably we need to go on 3 runs. Yeah, yun yung, yun yung nakalagay dun sa, sa documentation. Now we're in with nose picker. It was a nose picker. yan. Sino nangungulangot? Yeah, 16 hours of playtime. Yeah. I didn't get the memo. Who caught him? Me. Yesterday. It's break time when he caught me doing the act. You should seen it. Yeah, I will actually nominate them on the Game Awards if I can. Yeah, it is definitely the best best indie game. Yeah. Break you, but ayan na nga siya. Ito lang kasi on the first playthrough si Cathy lang ang nag-show up. Kasi si Riddle sobrang busy niya. In this playthrough, 3 sila nandun. Pero ang sakit nung nangyari sa first playthrough kasi first playthrough is kinda worrying na na ginawa lang kasi ni Mark na pumunta ng piano lesson sa piano mentoring because gusto niya yatang maibalik yung mama niya. Like gusto lang makalimot or maibalik yung mama. I don't know. Probably yun yung like parang scapegoat niya sa ginagawa niya. Kaya siya nagpiano. Pero ang tanong on this playthrough, tutuloy ba niya yung piano? I gotta use suave, smooth and cool, obviously. Ayan ka na naman. Ayan na naman siya. Do you have a theory? For me, theory ko is this second playthrough will be a bad ending. Yan yung lahat ng kashitan na mangyayari dito sa Until Then, mangyayari. Yan yung theory ko. Kasi we are on a main storyline, right? Yung main storyline is Katie's fucking died. Katie died because naisekay nga. Yan yung canonical ending, basically, canonical ending. Yung true ending is probably not canon, but yung probably true ending. Yeah, yung true ending probably not canon. Kasi yun naman talaga tawag sa di ba? Tawag sa mga endings like good ending, bad ending, true ending. 'Di ba? Yan yung naisip ko eh. Yung ang naisip ko kasi sa first playthrough, good ending is basically nagpasagasa si Katie because ayaw na niyang maulit yung mga nangyari sa The Ruling, like 'di ba? Ang theory ni Luis is every rain drops one person na hindi nakatingin sa kanya sa like yung parang introvert will just fade away, right? So ang theory ko dito, Kathy will just stay put, hindi siya mamamatay on this playthrough, and then probably it can be done. I think the loop is going to be more than 3. Okay. More than 3? Okay. Well, I think lalaruin ko yata to ng isang buwan. But I never agreed. Ayun na naman tayo. We are still here. Ayun na naman tayo. Susuyuin na naman natin tong leave her alone. Yeah. Alam na natin kung ano nangyari. Wait. Wait. What? Yes? Did someone tell you? Tell me what? No? No one told us anything? Oh! Wait! He knows? Wait, he knows? He knows what happened? Oh no! Oh shit! He knows. Yeah, he probably knows. She probably knows. Yeah, she probably knows something. Yeah, you got friends with Nicole, tapos nawala yung kaibigan niya. Oh, Nicole, hi. Hi, Luis pala to. Luis? Hi, Luis. That's it? No more crushes ever? And my theory is that you might know what will happen if the ruling did not happen at all. Oo nga, no? Like, if the ruling doesn't happen, probably, maybe the true ruling is the friends we made along the... Just... Maybe the true ruling is the friends we made along the way. Finally. Man VCDR. Okay, make it 2. Siyempre, yan na naman tayo, yung hindi na naman ano si Mark. Ayan pa si si Luis. O nga no, what if the ruling doesn't happen? Yeah, because of the ruling. You know, did you know the reason why Nicole transferred because of the ruling, right? Dahil, his brother yata yun? Brother ba yun? O parang friend niya is nawala? Nawala sa kanya. Like, basically, just vanished. Yeah, I'm kissing my grades goodbye. Oh. Oh, you're good. What are you talking about? Outside the lunch break. If it didn't happen this too, probably it won't happen in the theory. So, eto theory ko. The main three missing persons didn't happen on that particular stop, 'di ba? Yeah, yun na naman tayo. Why do you paint? Ayun na naman tayo. Okay, handa ko na sarili ko dito. Yeah, handa ko na sarili ko dito. Eto na naman tayo. Wait, ginawa niya talaga yung painting? Oh! What? 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 Bro! How? Bro! Wait, ginawa niya talaga yung painting? Bro. No, bro, I'm done. Oh no, we didn't. No, so we didn't meet Nicole on this timeline. Wait, so we didn't meet Nicole on this timeline. Oh no. Oh no. But is it the team? World Hunger? Wait, what? Oh, lagyan mo na lang konti. Wait. Yung, wait. Yung first team, di ba? Yung first team is, Word Feast, right? Parang Word Feast. The second team, World Hunger? What the fuck, man? Okay. Psych! Okay, kailangan mo pa ng konting Oh, ayan, may... In theory, they are painted to beat an envelope. Oh! Okay, running in the halls time again. Yan, tatakbo na naman tayo. Yeah, oh my god, why I didn't. Oh my god, I didn't know. Nakahawak ko sa AD. One. Okay, price for lunch. Yun. Okay, it's an emergency. Ulitin ba natin yun, guys? Parang gusto ko ulitin yun. Ulitin ba natin? Okay na. Oo. Why did it dodge? Dodge like. Oh my god, I'm so bad at quick time events. Yon. Okay. Eto na naman tayo kay Nicole. Hi, Nicole. I don't know, Leaf. Wait. Okay, so the same what happened to Nicole, okay? Yeah, he remembered. I didn't know something, but... Uh-huh. Oh no, Nicole is dead! Di joke lang. Ang tanong, is Nicole gonna remember anything? Okay, it is the same. You monster. Okay. Is it the same step? I don't need your hand. I have to, and I can stand on my own. Yeah. What was that? You felt that? Wow. Hey, you okay? No, okay. Right in the middle? Wow. Yeah. Wait lang. Nangyari ba yun sa first playthrough? Probably Luis will also remember because he is like theorizing on time loops and time skipping. Paano time skipping? Paano ba? Time stop? Hindi ko alam. Say nothing. Just say nothing. Okay, the same dialogue. I want to talk about Luis. So, you think it's not the rain? Deja vu. Nothing. Okay, no trouble for you. Yeah, I will do the fourth wall stuff, the fourth wall breaking stuff here. Yeah, dito na naman tayo sa valedictorians. Cathy got missing in action. Yeah. Wait, ano ba yan? Spoiler ba yan? Spoiler ba yan sa run 2? Ha? Okay, this is the same. It's the last, okay. It's the last playthrough. Okay. Gets. Okay. Parang iba yata yung yung route ko nun. Iba yung route ko, yung route ko nun kay Or the same lang, hindi natin si Cathy. Si Cathy talaga sa second playthrough, probably. Okay, it's the same dialogue. Yeah, I think Mark knows it, and it is just ano, dito I think Mark knows it, but it is just he pretends to get along and say the same lines as they taught to, right? But that is my theory in there. How to be kind to teenagers. Give up. Yeah, I will just give up. Yeah. It's not that he pretends he forget most of... Sigurado kapag ano ni Nicole yun, no? Like, gusto ko sana yung mga self-aware na ano, na alam ni parang Doki Doki. Like Monica mode si Mark dito. I know your name already, Nicole. Pero ang tanong, hindi ko sure kung nangyayari yung parang flicker kay Nicole at saka kay ano on na first playthrough, but probably nakikita ko siya. Yeah, I didn't realize because ano nga, naulit nga sa timeline na bulakbol pa rin si Mark. It actually happened because, yeah, probably. Tapos bad ending pala talaga to. Tamang theory ko, no? Good ending, bad ending to story. Middle lane, go ahead. Take a page. Oh my, get a show on the road. Did you said in jump, literally? It's probably the same, but the ending, how cheesy. Okay, Antran, I do, yeah, this is the same. Yeah, probably a bad ending. Probably it's a bad ending. Ayan na yung principal. Ayan, nakaligtas na naman tayo ng isang week ng ng project. Okay, see you again. It's the first time. I believe. No, you're not. No, you're not. Haha, I could resolve without the issue. Whatever, I'm in a hurry. Okay, the same. Okay, bro, it's crazy if Cathy not the only one that dies. I've not played the second. Yun nga eh. It's crazy that like yung the main character lalagay ko na universal spoiler dito. Yeah. If universal spoiler has happened on this game, tatantusan ko na to. That is quite enough. That is quite enough, miss. Okay, this is the same. No running in the holes. Handbook. Okay, the same. Yeah. Flat tire was crazy. Yan na naman tayo. Silence! I didn't have to dito. I'm calling your parents. Yan na nga. Oo nga pala. Paano ka makakapag... Now I know now na please don't. Because parents, isa lang parent niya. Yeah. You surprise me? Mark? Well then. If you don't want me to call your parents for... Okay, just make up with each other. Okay? What? How? Ang tanong, may iba yung timeline ba na na ganun? 'Di ba? Yeah, probably it will. And lastly, and I'll have a little Missy here redo there afterwards there, okay? Yeah. Yeah, naging si Nicole kasi ang naging niya naging inspiration niya. 'Di ba? Para maging maging mentor and then pumasok tapos hindi pala ulit hindi pala ulit pumasok sa piano club because hindi niya parang the same pa rin, the same stuff na nangyari. Hindi niya may theory if Cathy is not only one that dies, might be yeah, probably mapapraning siya. Oh, yun, yeah, probably mapapraning siya. Pag tama yung hula mo dito, nako, eto, pag tama hula ko, na it will be a universal spoiler na mamatay silang lahat and then, parang, yung soul nila is, nandun sa kaluluwa nila, like, nagkaroon ng panibagong ruling, another ruling, tapos, they all died. Yeah, tatantusan na natin yan. May dalawa na yung universal spoiler natin yan. Meeting adjourned? Okay. Ganun din ako like I love theories about what happened na Kasi I think yung first ending kasi canon na to eh, canon ending na to eh. Hindi na mababago to eh. Yung first ending probably canon to. Yeah. Totoo. Oh, how will I live? Yun na nga. Ayan na. Alam niya. Yeah, she knows. She knows a bit. Yeah, she knows. Yeah, dito na naman tayo sa bahay ni Nicole. Ayun nga Wait. This timeline, hindi natin nakilala yung pom-pom girl. Yung Pom-Pom Girl. Hindi natin nakilala si Pom-Pom Girl. At hindi natin nabisita yung, ano niya, yung, dito, magulang niya, like grandparents niya. Hindi natin nabisita. So, rekta tayo dito sa ano. Tama, no? Tama, no? Yeah. So, by the way, I think I will cut this short. Tutuloy muna natin to for for another playthrough kasi ako'y kakain muna. It's like 12:02 p.m. So, I think I will cut it short. Thank you sa lahat ng pumunta. I think itutuloy ko siya, ikakat ko na lang siya as in yeah. Yeah, same here. Hindi, mamaya probably andito rin ako. Magsi-stream ulit ako dito. Rekta tayo until then. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, thank you so much.